questions. I skipped one. That was didn't mean to. Sorry.
No problem. Yeah, hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Elmer, and I'm the CTO and co-founder of Cupenya. Hope you liked it. That's very Which microphone is better? Okay. Yeah, hello again. My name is Elmer. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Cupenya. Although our startup is based in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam, I'm actually from Germany, which means there are not going to be a lot of jokes in the next few minutes. However, you can trust that the stuff we build works, and if you manage to listen for the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you how we'll disrupt a $100 billion industry. As it says in the slides, Cupenya's mission is to bring analytics back to the business. Now, let me give you a real-world example that explains this a bit better. Before I founded Cupenya, I worked as a highly paid consultant that helped companies to overcome business analytics challenges. A typical scenario would be that an executive needed a report to get an overview of the invoice processes in his company because they're losing money. Now, typically a manager knows exactly what he needs in his reports. But still, because in a large company, typically everything is more complicated, even simple things, because of more departments and more IT systems. So even the simple request takes a whole group of IT specialists and business analysts to actually implement. So add to that corporate procedure, and a simple request turns into a 6-month project that can cost up to $1 million US. Now, this is just a recent example from experience, but it happens again and again, endless times, and it's the main reason why companies spend over $30 billion alone for business analytics software. Add to that the fees for consultancy and maintenance, and you can add a few zeros to that number. Now, there are several reasons why business analytics have become more and more complex in recent years, and have moved more and more into the domain of IT specialists rather than operational managers where they belong. To sum it up, analytics, there's absolutely no transparency in workflow analytics, and existing solutions are too expensive and too time-consuming. But most importantly, they are still not producing any kind of results. That's why we at Cupenya developed a business analytics product that is cloud-based and addresses all these shortcomings. Most importantly, vendor independence, end-to-end insight, and a business-usable standard product that needs zero setup time. With our vendor independence and end-to-end insight, we provide what others cannot: a complete insight into a company's business processes. This allows managers at every level to identify problems, track down individual requests, and to de-risk strategic decisions. We make all this power available through an intuitive user interface that allows any manager to define his own KPIs with a graphic notation language and without any coding that is required. All of this makes it possible to deploy whole monitoring scenarios in hours instead of months. With all this, Cupenya makes these insights accessible to executives and managers and allows and effectively puts them back in control of their business. As I already mentioned, the market opportunity is huge. Companies are already spending billions on business analytics software on the required customization to actually make it work. We are planning to enter this market currently through our first pilot project with large enterprises, and we're later scaling up to more enterprises and small and medium-sized businesses through a partnership model that allows consultancies like KPMG or Accenture to provide their solutions based on our product in a marketplace and make them available to the whole world. In the last 6 months, we found Cupenya, a lot of stuff has already happened. Most importantly, our product is ready to be used in production and is already adopted by our first enterprise customer in Europe, a large German car manufacturer, and we're currently in the process of securing more customers and partners in the United States. To continue to scale on both continents and keep growing at a fast rate, we're looking for investors who are willing to join around $500,000 US and help us to grow a global software company together with us. Well, that's it. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, I'll run for questions afterwards.